All right, today we're gonna make something simple. We're gonna make quesadillas, fried quesadillas. I might have made them before, but they're perfect snacking. They're perfect for any day, rain, shine. So depending on your cheese, you can do however you want. This is mozzarella. Monterey, I'm sorry, Monterey. I don't even know. Yeah, it's Monterey. Big pieces of cheese. Cut them down the line. And I think that should do it. So we're gonna start doing our pieces. One big piece of cheese. I like to add a lot of cheese to the quesadilla. Lots of cheese. Start it here. Roll it like a joint. All right, so here we have it. We're preheating it already, and we're gonna put them down, facing down. Oh no, not that one. No. So we're gonna have to lower it down the heat a little bit. And one more. There we go. That one there. Burning. Toasty. So turn down the heat. We're gonna start with the refried beans, black. That's right, black. But before we do that, we gotta make sure we have our cheese ready too. Beans. Start smashing them. Turn it up. A little bit of the magic spell. A little bit of milk. Give it that fat. And start smashing more. This is pretty much ready. We're going to turn it down to the lowest we can. Fried beans, but with a magic. And now that we get that going, move this over here. Now we're going to end up here. Make it special. Really special. Non-stick pan, all right? Get them to taste even 100 times better when you do this. Optional, all right? And we're gonna cover it up for, it's been a couple minutes and we're ready. We're ready for this. Let's mix it around one more time. Get everything flavored up. Turn it down. Look at that. Marble beans, I call it. All right. So this is marble beans, it's called. All right. Now it's time to serve. All right, look at this. Quesadillas. Fried quesadillas, beautiful. These came out nice. The other ones get a little bit burned, but they still taste good. So they use them as dipping Look at that. Look at that. That beautiful plate. Right, so the reason I did the beans with it, if you guys can see that, is because when you get your quesadilla, I know they're a little fried. This one came out a little bit burnt, but what you do is you use it as a dipping spoon, like this. All right. You don't even need a spoon. You just use a quesadilla. It's a little hot. Simple. 3-minute, 4-minute meal.